If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making CHITAU PITHA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then take about 1 cup of rice and soak that in some water for roughly about 3 to 4 hours. Then discard the water and with some fresh water blend to make a smooth paste. Then quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, 1 cup of grated coconut and half a teaspoon of salt. Now in a large bowl, add all the blended rice paste and to that add the grated coconut, salt and the powder. Then with the help of a spoon, mix it up really well. And the batter should be medium thick. And once you are done, let it rest for at least an hour. Now to make the pitha, take a skillet or a tawa and place it over medium to low flame. Then to that add about a tablespoon of ghee, followed by a ladle full of the batter, and keep in mind, do not spread it. The pitha should be thick. Now cover it and wait till it's completely cooked, and also do not flip it, and it's done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad CHITAU PITHA. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.